2020 was, without a doubt, the year of digitalization. It's the year where every entity, small or large, had to go digital or rethink their digital strategies. The European Commission is no exception, as they just unveiled plans for a bloc-wide digital wallet, following the demand from member states for a secure way to access public and private services online. There is a lot to unpack, so let's get right into it. Good morning, everyone. This is Mark from Payment Genes. Today, it's all about payments. According to the Financial Times, this digital wallet will allow citizens across the 27 European states to safely access a range of services with a single online ID. Using the digital wallet, citizens will be able to log onto local government websites, pay for utility bills, and even have their payments details securely stored. Up until now, individual European member states have issued their own digital IDs, but not all are compatible, and take-up is relatively low at just 19 countries. But with the pandemic forcing a lot of folks online, the European Union will promote a European-wide compatible digital identity. Unfortunately, at the time of this recording, there isn't much the European Union revealed in regards to the user authentication methods. What we do know is that fingerprints and iris recognition are two of the possible methods. The responses towards the European digital wallet are quite mixed. While some people have endless concerns about data security and personal information security, many others express excitement about the potential it holds for the future of Europe. From our perspective, the largest benefit of a European digital wallet is that it will enforce a structural separation, one which prevents companies that access user data from using the wallet for commercial activities. Yet another advantage at this app is that it can be used as a vault where users can store official documents like the driver's license, for instance, further minimizing the need for physical cards and wallets. Additionally, the European digital wallet can further help combat money laundering and identity fraud. Not to mention the economic benefits it can create as well by authenticating high-value cross-border payments within Europe. What is actually quite interesting is that we are witnessing a movement where the European Union is building a payments network that is independent from the giant American schemes such as Visa and MasterCard and the high fees hunted by commercial banks. More specifically, the European Payment Initiative's attack on the dominating schemes and the digital euro, which we covered in earlier episodes. Looking at the compatibility across the European Union, the use cases of this digital wallet are quite promising. For instance, one could use their digital wallet to rent a car, pay for the rental fees, and confirm their identity remotely via the app. An electronic key for the rented car could be issued immediately, completely taken away waiting in queues at the airport car rental desk, which is quite awesome. Finally, the rollout of the digital wallet is expected to be fully operational in about a year, and it will not be mandatory. But we are certainly looking forward to seeing how it plays out and what all the use cases could be. What are your thoughts on the rollout of European digital wallets? We're curious to find out about your thoughts. For now, I'd like to thank you all again for watching. I'm looking forward to see you all again next week. Cheers, bye-bye!